Hello, I'm Steve Clemens, Executive Vice President at URL Insurance Group, and thank you for joining us today for our Life Markets Marketing Minutes on life insurance policy reviews and checkups. In America today, according to the 2022 Life Insurance Barometer study, currently 50% of Americans own life insurance. And of those 50% of Americans that own life insurance, 23% only have policies that they've purchased through the workplace. 59% of those have individual coverage only, and 18% have both a combination of workplace and individually owned life insurance. Unfortunately, life insurance ownership is on the decline. Just looking at this chart from 2011 to 2022, life insurance ownership has gone from 63% in 2011 to a 50% ownership in 2022. Most people today are not prepared financially for the death of a primary wage earner. 10% of those surveyed say they would feel the financial impact in just 1 week of the death of a primary wage earner. 44% say within 6 months, and 17% just say they don't know. So over half, 54%, will feel that financial impact within the first 6 months. So the big question is, are your clients financially prepared? It's certainly time for a financial checkup, for a life insurance checkup for your clients. It's time to be proactive and communicate with them. Do a policy review, a policy checkup. Re-engage with your existing clients. Policy reviews and checkups create opportunities to review coverage with potential new clients as well. Help you stay in touch with your clients and continually help you build rapport. This is a great opportunity to gain referrals and, most importantly, show your clients that you care. Look to identify policy review opportunities. Some of these triggers for review are marriage and or divorce on the other side of marriage, birth of a child, retirement, family death, changing of jobs or careers. Many people, when they change their job or careers, lose their voluntary life insurance benefits, group benefits, and they need some additional life insurance. Health changes. Some people get healthier. They quit smoking. That can reduce their premiums and cut them in half. They lose weight. Again, they can get a better rate class, maybe extend a term or get some better permanent coverage through that. And in other cases where people's health changes for the worse, this may be a time where they should look at their existing term life insurance coverage and think about conversion or find additional coverage needed. Other ways to identify policy review opportunities is through product and industry updates. There are new riders and benefits that consistently come on products to enhance life insurance benefits. And some of those new hot benefits that your clients may not have because they've had a term for a long time, or maybe a company that hasn't offered these benefits, are some accelerated living benefits. One of the hottest out there is the chronic illness or long-term care living benefit and riders on policies that help when clients need home health care, nursing care, assisted living. They have these chronic illness and long-term care benefits on newer life insurance policies. And also some products have a critical illness living benefit. So if a client has a stroke, a heart attack, a life-threatening invasive cancer, as well as other critical illnesses, they can access their death benefit while they're living. And those are some tremendous new riders and benefits available on certain products that they may not currently have on theirs that would benefit them. Also, new underwriting enhancements. There are opportunities to not need a paramed examination, lab work, by use of accelerated underwriting, which may incentivize a client to apply again. Maybe they weren't so keen on having another blood sample, urine sample. Well, in many cases, we can bypass that with companies up to $500,000, $1 million, or even $2 million of coverage. Also, new underwriting enhancements are loosening of social and medicinal marijuana underwriting. So we have many clients who maybe were closeted social marijuana smokers, or they use it medicinally and were afraid to go through life insurance underwriting. Well, they shouldn't be, because most companies today accept social and medicinal marijuana use. Or quite simply, their term life insurance is coming to an end or near an end, and they need to make a decision on what's next. So how do we approach clients for an appointment? Well, let your new clients know you will be checking in on them periodically. Just drop that seed that once you place that policy, that you're going to be reaching out to make sure that their needs are still being met. Don't be a stranger. Be consistent. Follow up with your clients regularly. Whether that's every 6 months, every year, every 2 years, each client may be a little different in what their needs are. Whatever makes the most sense for you and the client, develop a script and make it your own. So that's important, is to make this part of your process with your life insurance sales and follow up, and create a script and make it part of your process. Book an appointment to review and provide a checkup for those clients. When you prepare for the meeting, use a financial objective intake form. Take some information down on what you need. Review existing coverage. Review their beneficiaries and ownership of the policy. Obviously, review their goals, their retirement, education needs, maybe for their kids, their assets, if they still have a mortgage and other debt financial obligations, their charitable intentions. If they have permanent life insurance, request in-force illustrations if that's needed, just to review how the policy is performing. And find out if anyone else in their family needs coverage, has insurance questions, and needs assistance to help gain referrals. Again, one of my favorite quotes from the legendary UCLA basketball coach John Wooden is, "Failing to prepare is preparing to fail." Once you've sat down and done that checkup with your client, review that information and deliver your recommendations. Based on your conversation and fact-finding, there's many different outcomes. No changes may be needed, that you may have met their needs when you met with them the last time, a year ago, 2 years ago, 5 years ago, and there might not be a change needed at this time. They may need to increase coverage. Maybe they've had a big promotion and they need more coverage for income replacement. Maybe on the back end, they're getting near retirement and they don't have as many financial obligations and they are in a position to decrease coverage. Or replace coverage with new coverage. They may have some coverage that's coming to near the end of a term and they need some additional coverage, or again, they've had a health or lifestyle change where we can give them better coverage available to them with additional living benefits and other things that they need. Maybe there's an opportunity to convert their term to permanent insurance. They may need ownership or beneficiary changes at this time. And keep notes for your next checkup. Make notes like maybe they're retiring in the next 5 years. Child is going to college, getting married, having grandkids, second home. Make those notes so you can keep track of your clients and their needs throughout the years. At URL, we're here to help. We provide marketing materials on our website, and just by contacting our marketing staff here at URL, we can email you these materials of what you need. On our website, under our marketing area, you have access to life insurance selling scripts, specific policy review sales scripts as well, that again, you can make your own and customize for you that best fits the needs of you and your clients. Carrier-specific consumer materials, brochures, short videos, intake sheets, and more. Fact finders and financial calculators are also available. And I'd like to leave with another quote from the great John Wooden. Seek opportunities to show you care. The smallest gestures often make the biggest difference. When you're checking up on your clients, you're showing your clients that you care. Those small gestures of just checking in to make sure everything is okay helps you build rapport with your clients, helps you do the right thing for your clients, and in return, that can produce more referrals and more business for you. And if you'd like more information on doing a life insurance policy review and checkup for your clients, please reach out to myself, Steve Clemens, here at URL Insurance Group, or any of our marketing staff here from the life insurance area. We'll be happy to help. And thank you for joining us for this Life Markets Marketing Minutes.